How to log in SoundCloud account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open SoundCloud application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface. So here are two options: create an account, and I already have an account. If you are new to SoundCloud, then you can go for create an account option. Since we are trying to log in, you have to go for I already have an account option in the second row. So if you want to continue with Google, Facebook or Apple, you can select one of the option over here. If you want to enter the email and password associated with your SoundCloud ID, then you can simply tap on the text box and enter your email and password. If you forget your password, you can also go for forget your password option, where you will be helped to recover your account. Here I am continuing with Google. If you are also continuing with your Google, then you have to select the account with which you want to log into your SoundCloud account. It will take a few seconds to sign in to your account. And after that, you can see I have been logged into my account. You can also start your free trial for some days and upgrade the premium version of SoundCloud, from where you will be able to use the various new features of SoundCloud. So by following this simple step, you can log in SoundCloud account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.